Yo guys, welcome back to another trading recap. And wait, I just clickbaited, bro. There we go. Welcome back to another trading recap. I didn't make one for a little bit because I was trying to wait till I had a couple trades to go over, and I'm just decided to do it now because we blew my funded account. Yeah, we blew the funded. It's unfortunate. But yeah, I mean, not much to say. We blew it. I'll start a new one probably tomorrow or something. But yeah, let's just go over some trades we took. So, first of all, I want to go over this Asian session one. So, basically the idea behind this was we just had a huge we were just pumping a ton, right? So, we were just pumping a ton, a ton, a ton. And I was just like, okay, I want to have a bullish bias, but obviously we need to see some signs of reversals first. And that's kind of what we got. So we started coming down here and validate this 5 minute FEG. So I was like, yo, I'm gonna enter off of that, and then I will TP right at these lows here, and I was probably seeking out. And yeah, we kind of just got stopped out. We also inversed this 1 minute gap. Oh yeah, that's what it was. We inversed this 1 minute gap off this candle, and then I waited for a better entry. We came all the way back up here. I had like a limit order right here. We wicked in, entered the trade, and yeah, we got wicked out. But obviously, we would have got stopped out anyways, even if we didn't get wicked out here. Um, and I think what I should have done was waited for this boom, 5 minute gap right here, and wait for the retracement off of that. That actually would have been pretty tough because we would have been like this, something like this. Let's just say we enter like here or something. I don't know, because obviously we're not gonna realistically there. Set our stops like that. TP at this. Bang. That's 80 points right there. That's really good actually. And yeah, so a good idea of a trade. Obviously we should have waited, but I'm still happy about it. We just got to get our executions better. That's literally it. So I'm still happy that the trade was like kind of right, the bias was right. So I'm happy about that. Like it did inverse. It is starting to inverse, and it's probably going to hit equilibrium right here. That's also why this is why I had a bearish bias during New York too, part of it. We have this equilibrium to fill, and we're probably going to do that before we have a move up. And we started showing signs of reversals in Asian session, so that's also why my bias was bearish. So yeah, that was that trade. Not much to say other than we should have been more patient, waited for like this retracement into this 5 minute gap. Um, but let me think. Okay, yeah, let's go over this New York session trade. So this was a really good trade. Um, so basically let's see. Okay, so there's a couple things. So first of all, we have this SMT on NQ, right? This bearish SMT on the 5 minute on NQ. As you can see, we got lower low right here. I mean lower high, my bad. Lower high right here. Bang, lower high. So we got this bearish SMT on the 5 minute for NQ. But another thing is we have this big bearish SMT for ES, right? So I was kind of like debating, and I decided to go off of NQ, and it doesn't really matter. Either one would have been a great trade. And off of ES, I probably would have waited for, or no, I was definitely. This is what it's definitely doing. I would have waited for like something like this inverse fair value gap. Boom, that gets inverse. We set our, hopefully, I don't even know if I would have set my stops this high. Let's just say we inverse and I wait for a better entry or something. I don't know. Hopefully, I should have set it like that. It should be like that. I think I would have set it like that. Boom, TP at this low here. Bang, that's a really good trade. So that's one of the trades I was thinking of taking, but I didn't even look at it because I was decided to take a trade on NQ. And basically I was just waiting we got this 5 minute BPR right here. And if that gets inversed, I'm gonna enter. So As we can see, boom, got inverse right here. Oh, my bad, this is on the 1 minute. Got inversed off of this candle. Barely got inversed, but did get inversed. I waited for a second to see what price was going to do, and we kind of just retraced up a little bit. And then I was like, okay, I'm going to enter like right now off of this little wick up. And bro, I mean, I think our stops were pretty high, but technically they should have been all the way up here, I guess, off of this 5 minute inverse, and that would make it a 1-to-1. But yeah, we set it a little bit above this BPR, and next time I'm just gonna set it above. I just need to have a higher stop, okay, pretty much. And yeah, I mean, we got wicked out, and then boom. I mean, we literally got like wicked out, and then boom, hit our TP. We set our TP at this equal lows, a good price magnet there. And yeah, we're probably just gonna continue dumping throughout the day. Um, it's pretty unfortunate. I'm not gonna lie. We gotta start a new funding now because of this, but whatever. Um, so I also want to say this trade here. I took this off of SPX on my live account, 'cause just like, yo, I'm gonna just take this trade because I mean we got like, I don't know, like we were looking pretty bearish, so I'm gonna just take this trade like a short little scalpel, and yeah, we hit that trade. Um, Get like $100 on my live. We're at like 3.5 grand, which is pretty good. Trying to get to 10 grand, that would be nice. But yeah, really unfortunate. But we're gonna have to get a new funded and um probably leverage less. Like this was $1,400 if we hit TP, but I mean it wasn't. This was like 800 if we got stopped out. So we could have easily just done this on the micro. Probably would have been better. We would have been more comfortable. Our stops like higher. Boom. That would also be $700, which would have been great. And with that, we could have had multiple TPs, like one here, cut off like 3 contracts, and then let 2 run to this. Maybe cut off 1 and then let the last one run to this liquidity here. That would have been great. That actually would have, should trade on the micro sometimes, but it's whatever. Can't do anything about it. We just gotta lock in more. I don't know. Let me check. Hold up. Yeah, I mean, not much to say. We just gotta focus on getting better entries and stuff. Yeah, so I'm in Apple and Amazon calls, and we're down $30 total. We put 2 up, 50 into Amazon, 100 into Apple. So we'll see what goes on with that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next trade recap, and I'm gonna start doing this. Like I'm gonna wait till I have like a couple trades I took, and then I'll make a trade recap. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.